Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add people on Trello, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm logged into my account and I'm on my board here. This is just a board I've made for several different tutorials, but that doesn't matter. Once you're in your board and logged into your account, to the left, you'll see this menu. And as you can see, members is the second option from the top. Well, third if you count Trello Workspace, but that doesn't matter. Now, what you're going to want to do is click on members and you'll see a list of all of them. And you can also invite members with a link, or click here to invite Workspace members and you'll get this prompt. However, if you don't want to go into the screen, you can easily just click on the plus over here and you'll get the prompt just as well. Now, what you're going to want to do is enter the email address of the person that you're going to invite, or if you already have them on Trello, you can just type in their name and then they'll appear here and you'll be able to invite them to your workspace. Now, what you're going to want to do is wait for them to, well, accept. Once they're invited, they do need to manually accept to be part of the board, but that is pretty much all you can do. You can just send them an invite and then wait for them to accept. And you can also, as I mentioned, create a link. And once you've created the link, you can just paste it into a messenger service or an email, and people will be able to join your board. And that's pretty much all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll be seeing you guys in another video.